Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel. I hope you are learning the meaningful content. I'm going to teach you today the subcontracting process. Let us understand with one example. Assume assume I want to I have one laptop. This laptop packaging is not done yet. I have some piece of laptop without the packaging, and since I'm not specialized in packaging, I want to outsource the packaging work to some third party vendor. Third party vendor. The third party vendor is known as subcontractor, a subcontracting vendor. So the packaging activities, packaging work I want to give to someone else because I am not expert in that, because packaging is something very artistic thing, because what see same is sold. So packaging is very important. Packaging is your first sales agent. If your packaging is not good, your product may not be sold. So here packaging work I want to give to some third party vendor. So what I'll do, I'll give this laptop to subcontracting vendor along with the material required to do the packaging. So in laptop, in packaging, whatever raw material is needed, packaging raw material. So along with my this, I can consider this as a semi-finished goods. Along with my semi-finished good, I'll give the packaging raw material to my subcontracting vendor. Now this subcontracting vendor will do the packaging of the laptop and they will give me as a finished product. So I'll receive this. Once subcontractor finishes, so they'll give me back. They'll give me laptop with packaging. Or you can say this is the finished goods now. This was like semi-finished. So this is the process is known as a subcontracting process. That some of your work you are giving to some third party vendor. They are doing on your behalf. They are making it finished product and giving to you, and you are selling to the customer. For that, subcontracting vendor will charge some fees, some subcontracting charge. Now let us understand same process formally. So first you have to create the purchase order in the name of some contracting vendor. Second, you have to issue the goods. This packaging raw material you have to issue to subcontracting vendor, and movement type will be 541. When you're issuing the goods, this raw material, subcontracting raw material, it will not create any accounting entry. It will not create any accounting entry because you are still owning the ownership. So there is no accounting entry get generated when you issue the goods to subcontracting vendor. Now once subcontractor finishes the packaging or the activities, and when you receive the finished goods from the subcontracting vendor, your movement type will be either 101 you can use or 543 you can use. Then this is the journal entry to post. First it will post raw material consumption account debit. Which raw material? This packaging raw material will get consumed. This packaging raw material consumption account debit, and your raw material stock account credit. Same, this raw material stock account credit. So whatever component of this semi-finished product is used by subcontracting vendor, that consumption account will get debited and your raw material will get credited. Let's say your packaging raw material cost is 2000. So this 2000 will get debited, 2000 will get credited. And your subcontracting charges, that will get debited and your GRIR will get credited. Let's say some vendor is charging, the subcontracting vendor is charging 500 rupees for packaging. So this 500 will get debited as a subcontracting charge and your GRIR will get debited with 500. And your finished goods which you are receiving here with the packaging done, that finished stock account debit, that is 2500. This 2500 is your raw material cost plus your subcontracting charge. 2500 will get debited, and your change in stock or increase in decrease in the stock will get credited. So this will get credited. So it will post this many journal entry. It will post 6 line item, and these are the transaction key. So material consumption for subcontracting will pick from GBB-VBO account modifier. BSX your raw material stock. FRL is a transaction key for the subcontracting charges. WRX for GRIR. BSX for finished material. BSV for change in stock for the subcontracting. So this accounting will get posted when you receive the finished product from the subcontracting vendor. Then your subcontracting vendor will send you the invoice and you have to do the MIRO. When you do the MIRO, your GRIR will get debited, your vendor will get credited. This 500, the service charge. So this is the cycle of the subcontracting process. Now this is a part of whole end-to-end product costing. There are so many configuration has to be done. Thank you so much. If you are looking for real time either finance class or controlling class, please connect to me. Thank you.